Hey everyone, I hope everybody's well today. Alright, so we do have some more spoilers for the Ipsy September bag. We also got the bag, so the bag has been revealed. So first I'm going to show you the bag, then I'll show you the product we already know about, and then the new spoilers. So first of all, here is the bag. Yeah, it's cute. I must say it is kind of cute. Now, the first spoiler we already know about is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. And the new ones, the first thing is the Farrah brush. Next, we have the Ofra Madison Miller highlighter. Now, you know they have been sending out full sizes in that. Next is Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. And then the last thing is an IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. So guys, as soon as they reveal any more, I will update you guys. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video for me if you would, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.